Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to connect my domain to ConvertKit. So first, just simply go to the ConvertKit, and here just simply go to the top right corner of the screen over here on your profile, guys, and a drop down will show up, and just simply go to the settings, and after that, just simply go to the left side over here, which is you should be able to see here email. And after that, once you are here on the email, just simply go for the set up your verified sending domain. Just simply click on this. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and enter your domain over here. So it must be a root domain. And this is the example over here. And now, once you have provided your domain, just simply click on next. And after that, guys, ConvertKit will provide two CNAME type records for SPF and DKIM. And after that, just simply publish the records into your DNS zone. And from there, just simply validate the records from ConvertKit. And once you have done that, just simply go ahead and go back to your ConvertKit UI and just simply verify the process. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.